Hey everyone, before we get to the video, I want to do a quick shout out for James over at HARSHMAN Hills. He sent me a ferro rod, a 1/2 inch ferro rod. This is a Nathan 4071 ferro rod. So I'm working on a fat wood handle for it. James, I really appreciate it, man. I didn't take this in the bush with me on this trip because I didn't have the handle on it, didn't have it ready yet. We're going to fire it up right now. James, I really appreciate it, man. Awesome gift. I can't wait to get out in the bush and use this thing. Alright guys, on to the video. Day number 2. Well, so much for the fishing thing today. I'm a little bit demoralized, to be honest. I think this this creek is pretty shallow. I went up the creek a ways. No luck. Then I got snagged up, and then I got tangled up. The fishing line that's on that reel is super thin. I need to replace it with something better. I haven't fished since I was a teenager. That's how long it's been since I fished. so I need practice. But I'm gonna try again tomorrow. I may try to go down past the rapids right here and see if it levels out. But yeah, fishing's not looking too good. But I'm gonna keep trying. I know what I'm going to do tomorrow. I have 50 feet of orange paracord with me amongst a lot of other paracord. But that orange is from Walmart. I'm going to take one of the I'm going to try to take one of the strands out, every bit of it, and replace that fishing line on that fishing pole. And try again. That's all I can do. Man, I can't believe how demoralized, I'm like, man, if I could catch a fish out here, and that would be freaking epic for me. But I mean, I can't let it get me down. I mean, if it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. But it might not be the best location. It's really thick, really woodsy, hard to get to places. Plus, I might not be trespassing by just a little bit. So I don't know, we'll try again, man. Try again. Oh man, I saw a freaking beaver. I did a lot of resting today because yesterday my legs were sore from climbing that hill, and I was just kind of tired today. Even though I slept good, on that mattress, on that stretcher bed. But I was resting, man, and I looked up and I saw a freaking beaver right over here on this bank. And by the time I got out of that stretcher bed, he was gone. I was going to try to get him on film, but I can tell that there's beavers have been chewing up wood, man. At first I thought there was somebody out here pretty recent cutting trees down. But then I realized, leave it to the beaver. Tonight's menu is cheesy pasta with beef jerky, Texas Pete, and black pepper. Yeah. Man, that fire is Fuego, man. If they don't nothing else come out of this trip, by God, we're gonna have some hellacious fires. You can bank on that. I almost forgot. This is the Texas Pete Hotter. Oh! I definitely do not want to be running into the woods, having to go. Not tonight. That's good. So hungry, man. This morning I had the Spanish style rice, Mexican rice. I never had that one before. It was off the hook. Can't beat nor, man. I know all those dehydrated meals cost like 10 bucks a little bag. Are very popular. I just don't think it's worth the money. You can put together your own meals. More meals for 10 bucks. Please no. I got to go do the business. Yeah, I got the wipes. Man, why did I have to bring the Hotter Texas Pete? Wish me luck.